we're going to go into Ty's palette for her swatches. This is going to be my favorite out of the three. I love this. It was so wearable and so easy. So I'm going to stop talking about it. Let's get in with the swatches. So this is what it looked like. It is perfect, absolutely perfect for autumn. I'm going to wear it anyway because we are in spring and about to go into summer. But how gorgeous do these look? And I'm pretty sure I'm unfocused. But anyway, we're going to go in and do swatches for this palette right now. So we're going to start with Locued Out. I'm not sure if that's right. Newbie, which is a gorgeous burnt terracotta orange. Then we go to Makeover. And then we have Cassette Tape, which is another gorgeous brown. And then we go into Can't Drive, which is, it's really hard to explain this one. It's a warm purple, but it's almost like it has the Newbie as an undertone within it, but it's a shimmer formula, but it's purple. It's gorgeous. And then last for this palette we have Way Harsh. So within this palette you have 3 matte neutrals that are really, really easy to blend together. So I apologize for all the background noise, but it's midday and I have the doors open, it's hot, I'm sorry. It's quiet until I put this on to record. Anyway, I think this is gorgeous. Absolutely love it.
Alrighty guys, starting off as usual with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, popping a bit of that on my lid and then using my Real Techniques setting brush to soften all those edges and blend that out for a nice even base. I'm going in with the Thai eyeshadow palette today, and I'm going to be starting off with the shade Way Harsh. It's the light brown in the palette, and I'm taking that on a blending brush and taking that straight through my crease, so we have a really nice transition and really blown out effect. So to achieve that, I'm taking a matte translucent powder and blending out the edges, and then I'm going in with the shade Newbie and focusing it more in the crease, not so blown out, because we do have Way Harsh already down. So much easier to blend out to create that really nice smoky look. Then I'm taking the shade Cassette Tape, which is just a deeper brown than Way Harsh, and focusing it on the outer V area of the crease and the lid. Taking the shade Can't Drive, which is a really pretty purple metallic. I'm using a flat brush, to apply this all over the lid. I'm going in with the shade Makeover, which is a champagne metallic foil shade in the palette, and I'm placing that on the inner half of the eyelid and blending it in with the shade Can't Drive. These two are the same formula, so they blend really nicely together. And then the shade Locued Out, I think is how you pronounce it. It is the lightest shimmer in the palette, and I'm taking that on the inner corner and just a smidge underneath my eyebrow. Then I'm going back into Way Harsh on a smaller blending brush and taking that all along the lower lash line to connect the outer V, and I'm taking it all the way in, leaving the inner corner free. Then I'm going back in with Newbie and going from the outer corner inwards, just so we're mirroring what is on the top and it all looks cohesive. Going back in with Cassette Tape and just focusing it in that outer V so that the outer corner is the darkest out of the whole eye look. And then taking what's left on the brush from the Locued Out and placing that on the bottom half of my lower lash line in a corner. Then I'm going in with some mascara and I'm putting quite a few coats on, and I did curl my lashes. And then I'm taking the Thai lip pencil and just filling in my whole lips with that. I didn't put gloss on over the I did put gloss on after applying the lip liner. So that completes this look. I hope you enjoyed.
I hope that you have a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!